Hey guys, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars Palm Beach. We're going to do a walk around video here on this 2018 Porsche Cayman. We do these videos to point out any flaws, not necessarily to hype up the car, just to help our out-of-state buyers and out-of-area buyers make their purchase decision. We want to make sure there's no surprises on the other end. So we're going to start here at the front bumper. Front bumper looks fantastic. I don't see any major rock chips, no major bug damage. Headlight looks fantastic. Grill area looks really good. Second headlight looks excellent. Hood looks great. I don't see any major chips. I mean, a couple of really tiny ones, but that's it. No major scratches, dents, or dings. Down low looks real good also. Front fender, no scratches, dents, or dings. Looks fantastic. Front wheel, no curb rash, brand new tires. Side view mirror, perfect. Driver door looks excellent. Handle looks excellent. Panel looks fantastic. Rear wheel on the driver's side, no curb rash. A matching set of tires that are also brand new. Rear fender looks fantastic. No stars, no scratches, no dings. Rear bumper, excellent. Rear tail light looks fantastic. Rear quarter panel on the passenger side, no scratches, dents, or dings. Rear wheel on the passenger side, no curb rash, looks perfect. Passenger door looks good. You got a tiny little blemish here. Maybe one more right there. May or may not come out with a little compound. Front fender looks fantastic. No scratches, dents, or dings either. Driver's side door panel looks excellent. Buttons look real good. Rocker panel looks perfect. Driver's seat looks perfect. Dashboard looks excellent. Steering wheel looks perfect. Passenger seat looks excellent. This is a super clean car. All the buttons look real good. So this is a no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. It's got a light on that says it needs an oil change, which we're going to do. There's no warning lights on the dashboard whatsoever. Steering wheel's in great shape. Oh, there we go. It does have Bluetooth. It does have Apple CarPlay. Headliner is intact, looks perfect. There you go.